According to me, there are two types of people. People who look at the big houses and tell, I want a house like that. Look at it, how big it is. And eventually they'll evolve to a future where they start liking the minimalism, the minimalistic feeling. Like, look at the house, how tiny it is. I want a house like that. People slowly start making things in limited period of time and with limited amount of materials, because that will lead to creativity, and that is where the future is focused on. So the second type of people are the tech nerds who actually buy the expensive apps on Play Store and try those. So here in this video we'll be checking the top 5, well we'll increase it to top 7 most expensive apps on Play Store. So without any further ado, let's get started.
So guys, on the 7th position, we have the app called Widget at $200, a completely useless widget that costs a lot of money. Don't expect any service from this app. It will just sit in your home screen displaying the most expensive Android app, so that people viewing your home screen will know how wealthy you are. Now on the 6th list, we have something called as Vuvuzela World Cup Horn Plus. This is also a $200 app, and the application was designed during the FIFA World Cup 2010. No update since then. What does this app do? Well, it helps you annoy anyone around you with the World Cup horn. Just shake the device to begin horn and shake it again to stop. You can also hold and touch the screen when your team scores to hear the announcer scream. That's all. And for that, you have to pay $200. On the 5th list, we have something called as Super Color Runner. So this is one of the most expensive apps on Google Play. This is actually a game. It's an endless runner game where you have 4 paths to run and switch among them to pick up energy pellets and batteries in order to stay alive. Every second, you either get close to death or closer to prosperity and evolving to the next level of the play. The graphical interface is very simple and it will run perfectly fine on all low-cost phones, yet it costs so much. On the 4th position, we have something called as Zollinger's Atlas of Surgery, $250. I'm just rounding it off, it's $249.99. So this app is designed to teach how to perform the most common surgical procedure using safe and established methods. The app layout contains content, index, search, bookmark, and notes menu. It covers more than 230 procedures, including laparoscopic operations, along with 1600 color highlights that help you grab every point of action very clearly. It is packed with all indications and preparations, position, incision, and exposure, operative preparation, closure, and post-operative case. So that's all related to medical. And the third app is called I Am Rich, and that is for $385. The app does nothing other than wasting your money. Still, we have to include this in the list as it is available on Google Play Store. It is very much similar to all other I Am Rich type of apps. All you get is the luxury diamond image for your wallpaper. And also the second app is called the most expensive app, and that is for $400. Yet another bizarre app that does nothing except showing a diamond on your display. The screenshot on the Google Play Store doesn't show you the diamond. Instead, it displays a text. You'll see a shiny diamond here. Now there is another collection that stands in the number 1 position, and the total cost of this app is $2,400. If you're wondering what's that, the Abu Mo has taken the term expensive to a whole new level. Instead of creating one expensive app, he uploaded a series of 6 applications on Play Store, each with $400 price tag. So 6 4s are 24, so 2400. These apps are simply the name of precious gems. Collecting all 6 would cost you about as much as a bike, $2,400. What are the features of these apps? Just nothing. They are just the widget that shows the gem on your home screen. So you can showcase people on how wealthy you are. So these apps are just only for the knowledge purpose, that apps like these also exist on Google Play Store alongside the useful apps.
So that was pretty much everything about the top expensive apps on Play Store. If you liked the video, please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. With that being said, my name is Rahul and I am signing out. Take care.